going to pack my Onewheel Plus for a vacation going to Hawaii. I'm going to pack it as a check-in. And so here we have the SKB case. It's one of their I-series cases. It's a very solid construction. It comes with roller wheels. And an extendable handle, so you'll be able to use that when you get to the airport. And so I'm just going to show you how this works, how this opens up, and how I'm going to put the Onewheel in there. So it's very sturdy, and there are multiple clips that you use to keep it to open and close. Inside, it's got some foam already. And I like this because the size is perfect. The size is perfect for the Onewheel. So I'm just going to lower it down in there. This is the Onewheel Plus. So, as you can see, it goes in nicely in a diagonal. And that's all you need to do. You don't need to put any other padding or any other packing material to keep it contained, because it's in there really tight when you put it diagonally. And then I'm going to close it. There you go. And like I said, it's in there nice and firm. Nothing shakes. And so you'll be able to use that when you go as a check-in. It'll keep your Onewheel safe. You can also use it if you wanted to ship. This is a very safe and sturdy container if you wanted to use it for shipping. And so there you have it. It is the SKB case, one of their I-series. It's waterproof. And I'll have a link down in the below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, so very happy, and we'll be using that when we go to Hawaii.